Hello, now this tutorial is going to show you how to convert a CD to MP3 using iTunes. So once iTunes is loaded, first of all we're just going to make sure that the preferences for importing our CD are how we want them to be. So go to Edit, Preferences. On this window here, where it says when you insert a CD, we need to make sure that says Ask to import CD. If it doesn't, you can press the arrow and then select Ask to import CD, and then import settings. Now at the moment you'll see it's down to AAC encoder and iTunes Plus. Now we want to change that, so click the arrow again, go down to MP3, and then setting, we need to check custom, stereo bitrate 320, use variable bitrate, and then the quality is highest. Now this setting here can be anything that you want it to be. The higher the setting, i.e. this number here, 120, 128, 160, 192, the higher the number, and we're going to hear 320, the higher the number, the better the quality of audio you're going to get. So press OK and OK, and from there you can insert your CD. Now just as we've asked it to, it's automatically brought the new window where we've inserted the CD. So on the left hand side here it tells us what CD is inserted, Disney's Greatest Hits, and it's asking us would you like to import the CD, and we're going to press no, because we do want to import the CD, but more importantly before we import it into iTunes we need to make sure the information that it's got for this CD is correct. So to do that, what we need to do is press Ctrl and A, which will highlight all the files in this window. Right click and then press Get Info. Are you sure you want to edit information for multiple items? Yes. So what we've got here, these are all the information that's going to be associated with these MP3s. So album artist, we've got down as various artists because there are various artists on this one CD. The album is Disney's Greatest Hits CD 1. Disc number is 1 of 2. And that's about it really that we need to do in this window, apart from the album artwork, which we're going to get in a second. The titles of these columns, artist, album, genre, you'll notice directly mirror what's in this box. So genre, children's, and genre there. Disney's Greatest Hits CD1 for the album is down there. To change these options you need to make sure that that box is ticked. So if we wanted to change Disney's Greatest Hits CD1 to Disney's Greatest Hits CD2, it will only change it if that box is checked. So what we need to do is we need to get the album artwork, and to do that we're going to use Amazon. So open up your web browser and go to amazon.co.uk, and in the search box you want to put the title of your CD. So there we have Disney's Greatest Hits. On the left here you're going to see all the different album covers for Disney's Greatest Hits. Now the one that I've got is this one here, so we'll click that, and then on the image right click, save image as, and you can save that anywhere, so we're going to save that to the desktop. Okay, now back to iTunes where it says artwork, double click, go to desktop, and there it is, our album artwork, and now we press OK. From there, as long as you're happy with the way this looks, right click on the CD down here and then import CD. You'll see a little orange icon appear next to track 1, which means that that's the track that it's currently importing. And up here it's telling you how long is remaining for that track. Once it's finished converting that track, the orange icon will move down to the next track and will be replaced with a green tick. Okay, so once it's finished importing, all the track numbers will have green ticks next to them, and the box at the top that did have activity will just go back to the generic Apple symbol. So from there, go to your music library. So go to music, your library, type in here Disney's Greatest Hits. As you type in it, you'll notice how it automatically, and there we have Disney's Greatest Hits. Disney's Greatest Hits CD1 with the album artwork that we've specified. From there you can either let iTunes automatically sync your music or drag and drop it from your music library onto your phone.